Hello, it's Mary Precious on Bookworth TV. Welcome to this exciting lesson on using articles a, an, and the. Lesson 1. In English grammar, there are 3 articles: a, an, and the. A and an are classified as indefinite articles, while the is referred to as a definite article. Endeavor to join me to the end to get the best of this lesson. Let's get started. What are articles? Articles are special adjectives that show that a noun is present. Whenever you see an article, you know that a noun is nearby. Basically, a or an is used with singular nouns. See the examples in the next slide. Article A with singular nouns. A man, one man. A phone, one phone. A house, one house. A lion, one lion. A pen, one pen. Article an with singular nouns. An egg. An apple. An eagle. An orange. An umbrella. We shall make complete sentences with these expressions in the next slides. Sentences with article A. There is a man in the garden. Do you have a phone? Musa built a house. I saw a lion at the zoo. Trisha has a pen. Get me a chair. Run! A car is coming. On this slide, we have sentences with article an. Ali caught an eagle yesterday. Eat an apple a day to stay healthy. The hen has laid an egg. Miriam brought an orange to school. Mother bought an umbrella. The teacher gave each child an exercise book. Please, lend me an eraser. On this slide, we have definite article the. The article the is used with a noun naming something that is already known. It can be used with both singular and plural nouns. See these examples. His bag is on the table. The table has 4 legs. The apples are very fresh. The boys are playing football. Recap. Let's go through all we've done today. We have seen that there are 3 articles in English. They are a, an, and the. A and an are indefinite articles, while the is a definite article. Next is the activity slide. Endeavor to try out the activity to test your understanding of the topic. Activity. Complete each sentence with either a, an, or the. 1. Is dash man your uncle? 2. Dash weather is pleasant today. 3. Do you have dash goat at home? 4. There is dash ant in my cup. 5. Give me dash hug. Answers. Is the man your uncle? The weather is pleasant today. Do you have a goat in your house? There is an ant in my cup. Give me a hug. Thanks for watching. Send in your comments about this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos on English.